Sa tres. Mid-range is it. Wala. Fontanilla. Needs 2 points. 15 this year. Mid-range, Fontanilla, big, Pinaso, 2 points. Ang daming number 4 na to Favorite? Oh, wala yan. 2 points. 15 to shoot. West, Two boys. That one behind. Lead. Foul. Loose ball red. Foul. Sa gitna. Easy to. Fontanilla. 2 points. Oh. Mid-range. 10. Wow. Rebound by number 20 sa 3, umatras. Good. Okay, sir. Dead ball. Ayun, nababang na. Pabilis naman naman kami nila. Wow! 2 points. Wala. Fontanilla. Oy, beda magbas. Foul, basket. Postball 14 to shoot. Sa 3 ulit. Is no good. Rebound by Niyoyo pa. 2 points. Seconds to play. 59 seconds. Put back by Fontanilla. Wow. Yo. 2 points. There. Basket down. Football red. 5 seconds. 2 points. By Idol. No good. Rebound by number 4. Big. 2 points. Two points again. Number 4, Liz, 2 points. Fontanilla. Niyoyo pa, 2 points. Wow. 15 to shoot. Oy, 2 points. 17 pass to second team. Sandres, 3 points. 21 is still by. Bumaga ng konti. 12 to shoot. Sa 3 na naman. Number 10. Napunta na Fontanilla, mid-range. No good. Inulit. 2 points. Hernandez. Sageti, Pinasa. The photographer. Namasok. Uy. 2 points. 2 points.
Shooter.
Sa 3 na naman. 3 points. 1, 2. Third drop. No good. Wow, nagpasama pa. Isa pa. Wow. Wow, nagalaw na pag-pwede ng smoke. Lakas talaga nito kumuha ng bola. Pasa kay Fontanilla. 2 points. Mid-range. 2 points. Idol. Number 10 sa 3 na naman. 3 points. Silabas pa. 2 points. May 1 minute pa tayo. 2 points. 3. No good again. Put back. 2 points. 10 seconds at rest. 3 points. Ito to shoot. Tikman mo ito sa 3. 3 points. Still. Nag-iisa. Nag-iisa. Ang paipilido ng aking jowa. 2 points. Sa 3, sa Getty. Wala. Liz. Yes, Mundo sa 3. In favor of Medex. Home court. Bumanti na 3. Masyadong malakas. Finger all. Ipapasa ko ba? Number 7. Mid-range. Favorite. Provides. Wala. Put up. Wow. Tornado moves. Pinasa. Kay Idol sa mid-range. Favorite. Provides. Nakuha ni The Assassin na bumag. Tamo, basic. 8 seconds para sa third quarter. The score update 66-68 in favor of Dickman Moto sa 3. Wow! 2 points na nakaw. 8. Pinasok. 2 points. Third lap, no good. Ibang by number 7, good back. 10. 2 points. 10 to shoot, midway. 12. Nakailag. Wow, basket. Number 4. Pass to number 10. Into the points. 10 to shoot, Montanilla. Sa 3, Wimbo. Wala pa din. 2 points. Wow, tornado moves. 2 points. USA. Wow, 2 points. Sa Getty, mid-range, favorite. Wala. Yan na, nakabot. Basket count. Meron, ako ba? 2 points. Ten to shoot. Montanilla. 2 points. Ngayon ko lang nakikita tumita sa 3. Wow! 2 points. 5 minutes exactly ang oras natin. 2 points. Wala. Fast break. 2 points. Montanilla. Wala ba din? Good back. 2 points. That's it. No. 28-89 sa 3. We still by number 9. Number 9. Liz. 2 points. Montanilla sa 3 yung pinasahan. 3 points. 1. No good. Good luck. 12 to shoot. 3 points. 1.